Hello, grade 9. How are you today? We meet again. Yep, we already finished our chapter first, Jadi di chapter 1 kita sudah menyelesaikan ya. Now we continue to the next chapter, that is chapter 2. And in this chapter, we will learn about procedure text. It's easy peasy, right? Jadi anak-anak sudah pernah mempelajari ini. You have learned it before in grade 8. And then now, I would like to tell you about this, but focus on how much and how many. Yep. See this? Okay. What should you do when you tell about procedure text? So you need to use how much and how many. But before that, you must know the difference between how much and how many. Ya. Jadi anak-anak harus tahu beda antara penggunaan how much dan how many. Okay, let's start from how much. How much is used when you want to tell uncountable things. Jadi, how much ini digunakan ketika kita ingin memberitahukan tentang benda-benda yang tidak terhitung nilainya atau nggak bisa dihitung. Say for example, rice, salt, powder, milk, coffee, sand, oil, and etc. Anak-anak bisa nggak ngitung beras? Nggak kan? Masa capek dong ngitung satu-satu. Begitupun dengan gula pasir. Pastinya nggak bisa dihitung kan? Kalau per biji itu. Oke. Next. Use this. Kalau how many? Nah, how many itu how many use when we want to tell countable things. Jadi, ketika kita menyampaikan benda yang terhitung atau bisa dihitung, you can use how many. Contohnya, bananas, apple, carrots, and etc. Okay, to make it clear, let's see the example. Okay, yeah, I use dialogue as the example. So now you take attention or pay attention for this. Yeah, okay. This is conversation between Tika and Lina. Would you like to tell me what do we need to make a fried rice? I will try to cook it by myself. We need onions, eggs, salt, oil, and rice. Then, how many onions and egg do we need? 2 onions and 3 eggs. How much salt, oil, and rice do we need? 4 teaspoons full of salt, 4 tablespoons full of oil, because there are 5 bowls of rice. Do we have oyster sauce? I don't think so. What sauce do we have? There is a bottle of soy sauce. Soy sauce will be okay. We need 2 tablespoons of it. Anything else? No. Now let's start cooking. Nah, jadi you must pay attention with this ya. Bu Guru sudah kasih warna biru, ada kata how many. Okay. Jadi how many ini digunakan karena dia menanyakan berapa banyak bawang dan telur. Nah, kalau bawang dan telur itu kan bisa dihitung satuannya, ya. Jadi kita pakai how many. Nah, jadi di sini sudah jelas 2 bawang dan 3 telur. Nah, kemudian bertanya lagi how much? Berapa banyak? Nah, how much ini juga artinya berapa banyak ya. How much, how many itu sama. Cuman bedanya kalau how many seperti yang Bu Guru bilang tadi itu untuk benda-benda yang bisa dihitung persatuan. Nah, kalau how much itu untuk benda-benda yang tidak bisa dihitung persatuannya. Okay, now lihat this. Look this, sorry. How much? How much salt? Nah, di sini kan salt, oil, rice. Itu kan anak-anak nggak mungkin bisa ngitung satu-satu kan? Jadi itu digunakan how much. Makanya jawabannya di sini pasti 4 tablespoon. Jadi kita pakai alat bantu untuk menghitung ya. Jadi pakai 4 sendok makan penuh, 4 sendok teh penuh garam, kemudian 4 sendok makan penuh air, dan 5 mangkok nasi. Ya, jadi seperti itu cara ngitungnya jadinya. Jadi dia pakai alat atau benda lain untuk membantu jumlah mereka gitu, bukan satuannya. Okay, that's different ya. And then, okay, now before I show to you your assignment for today, for this week I would like to tell you again about how many and how much. Ya, Bu Guru nggak ngasih tahu lagi tentang procedure text, Karena sebelumnya kalian sudah mempelajari itu dan sekarang Bu Guru hanya ingin menegaskan kapan anak-anak memakai how many dan kapan memakai how much. That's only ya. Okay, series for the assignment. Jadi the first is look at the picture, and then second think what you can make based on the picture. Then the third, make a conversation by using how much and how many based on the picture that you have chosen. And the last, make it in your textbook. Okay, and this is the picture. The first picture, that is banana and flour. So what you can make from these things. Okay, and then the second, egg and oil. What you can make from this. And then the third, chicken and flour again. So what you can make from this. Okay, this is number 1, and then this is number 2, and this is number 3. Okay, so now from this picture you make a conversation. Remember, inside the conversation there is how much and how many. Okay, well, that's all. That's only for today. Thank you for watching my video. Stay healthy until we meet again at school, and bye bye. Have a nice day.